Hello guys, this is our lunch for today. Nag-grilled ako ng meat. Ayan. So nilagay niyang dito. Yung rice ko is my mixed vegetables. Ayan. Then, gumawa ako ng salad. Ito, coleslaw. Then, nilagyan ko siya ng worm. So, this is our lunch for today. Coleslaw salad and boiled beef. White rice and mixed vegetable.